big story this morning. Is Google running an illegal monopoly? Well, that seems to be the view, at least coming from a US district judge, and the second such ruling against the search engine giant. Now, the ruling says Google illegally dominates two markets for online advertising and technology. This ruling paves the way for US antitrust prosecutors to seek a breakup of its ad products. A US district judge found Google liable for willfully acquiring and maintaining monopoly power in markets for publisher ad servers and the market for ad exchanges. The ruling will lead to another hearing to determine what Google must do next to restore competition in those markets. Would it be compelled to sell off parts of its business? The judge said that in addition to depriving rivals of the ability to compete, this exclusionary conduct substantially harmed Google's publisher customers as well, the competitive process, and ultimately consumers of information on the open internet. US Attorney General Pamela Bondi called the ruling a landmark victory in the ongoing fight to stop Google from monopolizing the digital public square. Google will appeal the ruling. This blow to Google comes just a day after Meta Platform CEO Mark Zuckerberg appeared in a separate antitrust case brought by the US Federal Trade Commission, accusing the owner of Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram of holding an illegal monopoly in personal social networks. The 10-hour appearance over 3 days concluded with Zuckerberg saying that its acquisition of Instagram and later WhatsApp was not to thwart competition but to better the products it bought. His arguments were not bought by the US judge. Now, moving back to Google, Google now faces the possibility of 2 US courts ordering it to sell assets or change its business practices. A judge in Washington will hold a trial next week on the Department of Justice's request to make Google sell its Chrome browser and take other measures to end its dominance in online search.